Stock Rights Offering or SRO. How to subscribe to Stock Rights Offering via BPI Trade. And kung bago ka sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So currently nakalogin ako sa BPI Trade account ko and plano naming bumili ng shares na ina-offer under SRO or Stock Rights Offering. Actually, yung stock rights offering, bihira itong i-offer and also hindi ito ina-offer sa lahat. From the name itself, stock rights offering, ibig sabihin nito, binibigyan ng company or binibigyan tayo ng rights ng company na bumili ng stocks from them at a determined price. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Currently, ang nag-offer is yung ASEN. Ang market value niya per share is 6.86. So, yung na-receive naming announcement, actually, nung nag-login kami sa BPI Trade, nagpo-up agad yung announcement. Pero kung na-miss nyo yung announcement na yon and gusto nyo balikan ulit yung announcement, meron dito sa click tong contact. Ito yung na-receive naming announcement before, so na-save siya dito. Dito, ang ina-offer nila is a common stocks and ang value niya or ang offer price niya is 2.37 pesos. So, mas mura to or discounted to kumpara sa existing market value ni ASEN which is 6 pesos. Mabibili namin siya through SRO ng 2.37 pesos lang. And ang offer period niya or yung pwede lang namin siya mabili is within this date, January 18 to January 22. So, dapat pag bibili ka ng SRO, huwag mong ma-miss tong date na to. And yung subscription, yung pwede naming bilhin na shares is na-compute na rin niya ni ASEN. So, 1 rights share for every 1.11 common shares. So, papakita ko lang kung magkano or ilan yung shares namin sa kanila. So, punta ako dito sa subscription. Andito yung details. So, click ko tong view. So, scroll down ko to. Ang pwede lang namin mabili is 1,801 shares kasi meron kaming existing shares sa kanila na 2,000. Itong net position na 2,000 na to kasi meron silang specific time or date kung kailan nila tinake kung ilan number yung shares namin. So, nung time na yon is 2,000 yung shares namin and from there, nag-compute sila kung ilan lang yung entitled na shares na pwede namin mabili dito sa stock rights offering. So, computein lang natin. Actually, na-compute ko na siya kanina so that's pwede ko namang ulitin. So, 2,000 yung na-snapshot nila. And pag dinivide natin sa ratio na 1.11, that's 1,801. So, yung entitled shares na pwede namin mabili dito sa SRO is 1,801 na shares. And that's equivalent to 4,268 pesos. So dito, kapag mag-avail ka ng SRO, i-ensure mo na meron kang current balance or enough yung balance mo sa BPI Trade para mabili tong SRO na to. Sinabi dito sa terms na yung full payment for the entitlement and additional subscription is madedebit sa account ko or sa settlement account ko as soon as successfully masubmit ko yung form. And by the way, for more details about the specific SRO, like for this case, ASEN SRO, balik tayo dito sa contact. Meron dito ang final offer term sheet. Ito yung link. So, to know more about that, you may click this link or you may check this link for more details. So, let's proceed. Balik lang ako sa main page. And balik ako sa subscription. And click yung view. So, dito tayo mag-avail. So, dito sa subscription na tab, andito na yung option para makapag-avail ka kaagad. So, scroll down ko to. And I or we will avail. So, dito ay ilalagay ko yung entitled na shares. So, let's say, nasobrahan ko yung shares. Nilagay ko is 2,000. Magkakaroon ako rito ng error na number of entitled shares to avail should be less than or equal to 1,801, which is this one. So, clearly, hindi tayo makakabili ng shares na more than sa entitled share natin. So, lagay ko na dito is 1,801. And ang match naman, it's 4,268 pesos. And scroll down natin. And do I want or do I wish to subscribe to additional shares? Ito yung pang second round na offering. And ito sa second round, based sa nabasa namin, just in case na hindi lahat mag-avail ng SRO na in-offer sa kanila, yung mga natirang entitled shares na in-offer sa iba, pwedeng i-offer ulit sa ibang tao. That's why merong second round dito. So dito, yes, mag-avail pa rin kami. And dito kung mapapansin ninyo, nag-enter ako ng number of shares na medyo malaki. And hindi tayo nakakuha ng error message. So, try natin mag-allot pa ng mas malaki. So, dito hindi pa rin tayo nakakuha ng error message. So, palitan natin yung amount. Gawin natin 15,000 shares. So, that's equivalent to 35,500. And now, meron na kaming first round, which is yung inallot talaga sa amin ni ASEN, which is 1,801. And then yung sa second offering, nag-allot kami ng 15,000. So, i-check natin to. So, it means na nag-agree tayo sa terms and conditions and click ko na tong submit. And you have expressed your intent to avail this offer. So, kino-confirm lang nila yung shares for first round is 1,801. Per additional shares or second round is 15,000. So, overall, ito yung amount. Again, dito, yung additional shares is hindi siya guaranteed na ma-allocate sa atin yung 15,000 pesos. So, let's see kung ilan yung ma-allocate sa amin. And once nag-confirm tayo dito, wala nang bawian. So, hindi na tayo or we will no longer amend this request. So, para makapag-proceed, click ko na itong confirm. And ito yung na-receive naming confirmation na thank you have successfully subscribed to ASEN stock rights offering. Again, please take note of the following terms and conditions. So, ito yung kailangan natin reviewin na terms and conditions. So, dito yung only paid subscriptions should be processed and dapat meron tayong sufficient cash balance dito sa BPI trade account natin. And yung proceeds from any sell transactions dito will be credited or available as cash balance after 3 trading days. And in case na hindi siya ma-approve, yung refund is mapaprocess or makakredit sa settlement account natin. And wala siyang interest. And dito, okay na din na maaga kaming nag-avail ng SRO kasi meron ditong possibility na yung deadline for acceptance ng subscription may be changed to an earlier date. Pwede rin naman later date. Yan ay kung babaguhin ni ASEN yung schedule of offer period. And subject pa to for additional conditions under this SRO or subscription. So, click ulit itong subscription. Let's see kung may magpapakita pa din. View. And nung kinik ulit siya, ang nakalagay dito is, you have already submitted your subscription request or your confirmation not to avail of this offering. So, yun yung makikita nyo kapag na-avail nyo na yung SRO dito sa BPI Trade.
And after a few days, naka-receive ako ng email from BPI Trade about the SRO subscription. So, January 15 ako nag-subscribe sa SRO and then Feb 2 ako naka-receive sa kanila ng email. So, ang nakalagay dito is na nakapag-subscribe na nga ako dun sa first round which is 1,801 yung allowed sa akin. Yung sa second round naman, ang sinubscribe ko dun is 15,000 pero ang na-allow lang sa akin is 369. That's equivalent to 2,170 pesos. So, yung hindi sa akin na-approve which is 14,631 na shares, equivalent yun sa 34K, which is ito yon. And ang sabi dito sa pinaka-last is, andito yung date kung kailan daw makikredit yung pera pabalik sa BPI settlement account ko.
And that's it. Nakatulong ba tong video na to? Please let us know by clicking the like button. And kung may naisip kayong questions or topics na tingin nyo pwede namin i-share online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And ito pa yung mga videos na pwede pang makatulong sa inyo. You may also check this. And this is Lulu from Invest Library. We invest, we share, you decide. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!